Internet's giving me problems here. I'm at a different hotel, so it's not working out.
Good morning,
Internet's not working like I want.
traders. How we doing, guys?
So go check out Mitch's channel. Go check out Mitch's channel. The link is in the description, and I'll see you all
All
later.
right, guys. All right. How we doing, guys? Pull up to my chat room for you guys. All right, pulling up the chat. All right, all right. Yeah, I can hear you. I'm gonna try to put you on my stream if you want. You want to get in? I think you're in there. Yeah, I gotta shut off some audios. Give me a second though.
See the halt times here.
Hold on, I paused the desktop so they can't hear you right now. But all right, you there, John? All right, I gotta call John. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm trying to put you in. Yeah, I'm trying to put you in the desktop now. All right, all right. You should be able to be here now. There you go. Hey, how you guys doing? Mic check. Can you guys hear me?
Yo, man, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? What's up? What's up? Can you guys hear me? Today's not the best day. Hey, can everyone hear me in the chat room?
I can't hear you, brother. Let me see if I'm on the stream.
All right, guys. Can you guys hear me? Echo? All right. Just give me a second.
Hey, so if you guys.
All right, guys. Can you hear me now? All right, no stress. All right. Can you guys hear me now? Is that better? Mic check. You guys hear me? All right. There you go. That's a little better there. I got TAIT going off. All right, guys, looking for another fail, pushed on PBD to 23. All right, can you hear me? Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, let me open up TIS. Having a day, having a day. Alright guys, getting up there to the price that I'm interested in. It's $23. I need to see it fail there. Alright guys, just give me 1 second.
Hey, what's going on, brother? What's going on, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing alright. So yeah, there's a little bit of an echo, but if you put me on speaker, I'm sure they can hear me.
Yeah, you're on speaker right now. My mic is pretty sensitive, so I should be able to hear you.
I can't hear you, brother.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, there you go. Yeah, guys, as you see, it's a little technical difficulty days, but we'll focus up.
Alright, so look at CAT, man. CAT's been fading all morning off of that VWAP area.
Which stock?
CAT, CAT.
Cat. Yeah, cat. Alright, saw those rejections of the 23 again there on PDD.
Yeah, PDD looks sketchy to me, honestly.
Alright. Yeah, I'm getting the echo.
Yeah, man, it happens.
It's
Yeah,
part
I
of it.
miss my home already, brother. I miss my desktop at home.
Alright, I put you in my ear because if not, it's just going to be a complete echo the whole time. Alright guys, I'm watching I looking like it's going to break out there. It's been holding the pattern all morning. Now getting up there to the pre-market highs, 2060. AWT halted again. I expect that. Yeah, AWX. It's just been on like it's halted and then it opens, halts, open, halts. So definitely not where you want to get in, guys. You guys see, actually I have that scanner that I've been working on with Thinkorswim. It's telling me about CRMD and SNCR. CRMD. It's a penny stock though. Alright guys, so right now I'm just trying to draw the resistance, the trend line that I can see from this. So I need to draw so that I can start finding the right support and resistance there. So these are important levels right there at the top there. That's why I find the risk and reward of this stock being viable, because a move down is to 225s, 2250. Alright guys. Yep, it's getting real tight to the breakdown. This is where you'd want to have shorts from that first move up to the VWAP. And you can be selling some down here, and then if it does break down through that 42, or what's the low is 42.08, when it breaks down through that 41, they go ahead and they can start adding. Nah, 7, you're always invited to the party, bro. $478 entry on NFEC, exit at 530. That's a beautiful play. Yeah, more and more I'm gonna be trying to learn how to play these VWAP fades also for bigger stocks. So we'll be looking for these VWAP fades all throughout the market. Hey, there you go. He wants to trade toy. All right. AWX back and finding support there, guys. This is why I didn't want to have that trade there, guys. It was just too much there. If you took the VWAP to the support, that's fine. But that's what I expected. A little hold there at that support range. Are you getting on PDD sales of 2048? Oh no, that's not it. It's sales of 2280. There you go. My time in sales was off. You guys saw that? This over here, time and sales was off. It was on a different color. You got to pay attention to that. Yeah, this is a bear flag on AWX, Matt, but if you realize this is a 1-minute bear flag, man, this isn't a 15 or 5-minute bear flag. So quick moves, you can get the same quick move back. Seen PDD hold there. It's a IPO. It's an IPO too. That's another thing that you got to remember, guys. There's a lot of institutions watching this. I'm watching I fail there to go long there through the pre-market highs, and now it's back down on the pattern pretty hard. Alright guys, not seeing anything yet. No real viable setup yet for me yet. Seeing this PDD fail. I want to see it fail as 23 one more time. Then I'll start looking for more of an entry. It's starting to hold above VWAP, and that's why I'm not going to go ahead and just jump in there. I'm waiting for it to fail first. Oh, VWAP fade on Facebook. Supposedly VWAP fade on Facebook. Yeah, this is the whole market right there. Look at that. That VWAP fade on Facebook was priceless. That's beautiful. Yep, Google also did it. Cat, nice VWAP fade. Yeah, really gonna start working on these bigger stocks, guys. I know it works for them. It's just a matter of learning how to change share size accordingly. And we have enough buying power, even with an intro, to take a trade on this. You saw how it rejected those 23s there pretty strongly there, PDD. It's the kind of sign that I'm looking for. When the sales go through at 23, it just knocks down. So that means there's some pretty good sizing up there, or a hidden seller at 23. So those are the kind of signals that I'm looking for on the level 2 end time of sales. So what I look for is on level 2, I mainly am caring more about the size that it's adding up on. So kind of the demand and supply of the stock. And then I look at the time in sales to actually see what's going through. As you guys see, I have 1,000 share separation here. It only shows me stocks that are time in sales that orders go through at 1,000 or more. And then to the left of it, I have one that's more fast moving and just showing me every sale that's going through the stock. A lot of times I could care less, you know, about the smaller one. I'm actually looking more of the bigger one, and I'm paying attention to more of the time also when they go through the prices. For like AWX guys, I had one even set for 5,000 shares, and that's how I've been seeing those big orders go through there. I hate when my computer does this. Sometimes it like minimizes all the windows when I'm playing or like moving something. It's what happens when we're on the road, man. It's what happens when we're on the road. On I got it just a buyer there at 2044 there, guys. 5,800 shares there going through there on I. I'm just watching this stock. I feel like it's been real bullish at the open. Just been holding. Made a run through pre-market highs and failed. So if I'm just kind of looking for it to actually choose a trend. Not trying to rush the trend, just more let it decide its own trend, and then I'll start looking for it for more of a trade. PDD there going above 23 there. That's what I didn't want to see, and that's why I was going to let it test one more time there, guys. Rejection there, holding there at 23, would have gave me the confidence to go ahead and try to get in there, and I could have risked right above 23, probably about 10 cents. As you see, it's holding. I'm going to go ahead and just get on off of it. I'm going to look at SSLJ as it's moved down below the VWAP again, guys. Rejecting those 240s again, guys. There goes I'm sure you saw a level 2 dump here in the 233 area. Let's see the volume that went in there. Yeah, definitely looking at SSLJ there. Just doing more of it now called VWAP rejection. So we want to see it reject that important level of 235 there, guys. It can even get a cent or two above the VWAP, but we don't want to see it close above the VWAP again. Also for VWAP rejection, you can look for TIVA. Yep. Trying to see if there's any other stocks, guys. Not really seeing much. I'm gonna give you guys a overall better screen to watch, so I think you guys will enjoy this screen more. I'll let this go here. There you go. I just probably enjoy that screen better. Alright, let's catch up with the chat right now. Alright, guys. MYND, you guys were looking at. Seven. I love monitors is the game. But you got to figure out what setup works best. I only have 3 monitors, and I think it works a lot better than sometimes 4 monitors, just the way I have it set up. I have one held vertically. I have a 24 held 32 held vertically on the right-hand side, and 2 24s stacked on top of each other. It becomes kind of like a symmetrical square for me. I've always tried to do more of a square setup than versus as a rectangle setup, because I feel like your eyes just don't see over there in the corners of your peripherals. And I've even done like baseball pitching where you use your peripherals a lot and your side view, but even then, you know, you want everything kind of in front of you. So guys, I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeing on eye that I'm paying attention to. You see the volume has slowed down a lot in the market, guys. Volume has died down tons. It's just I'm not seeing any real movement in there. Yeah, at least you see the pattern there, insurance. You see that the VWAP fade works there even with a bigger stock like Facebook. The key with the bigger stocks is also, it's take a look at the SPY. See what the SPY did today. And guess what, guys? I can almost be certain. What did it do? VWAP fade. Guys, it goes very similar. The bigger stocks, you gotta watch the market as a whole. The market reject long this morning, and then went south, then created a VWAP kind of rejection fade after the push towards the resistance. Yeah, 7. It works, especially with bigger stocks. You got to know the correlation to the SPY. There's websites that can give you the correlation, and you can check that before you really start watching it on there. But definitely, with bigger stocks, they do have some correlation with the SPY or wherever market they're in. Sometimes it's a QQQ that they have more correlation to, but Yeah, yeah, definitely insurance. There is that with Thinkorswim. There's a tab where you can run it actually on top of it. Seen any trade you like, brother? Seen any trade you like? Yeah, without a doubt, man. I know how that feels. All right, I'm watching I here, guys. I wanted to reject the 250s, the 2050s. Let's see what happens here. See some big size in there at 2044, 2047. So that's what I'm referring to. The big trader probably short in that range. So it'll fail to 2050. Will go ahead and give me a sign that this is a failed long going down. Alright, up there 2050s, 2048. Looks like we held those 50s right there, guys. When you see those, it could be a fake out because sometimes we have this algorithmic volume that tries to fake us out. If you see there at 2054, there's this whole bunch of share size that starts going through. 7 shares, 7 shares, 7 shares, 7 shares. It's kind of more of a what the psychology of that is. Sometimes when we see nothing but a clean green sheet, a lot of long traders have a tendency of just jumping into the trade because they see all that volume going through there on the ass. But when you really calculate how much volume that is, it's probably less than 100 shares. Guys, watch. I'll put on I here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I have it on another chart, but I just want to show you guys right here. You see these 7 orders at 2054. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. This is computers trying to fake you out right there. MYND there, guys, going off again on the high day momentum scanner, guys. Facebook down at the bottom there, guys. Facebook down at the bottom there. SPY testing the VWAP again and rejecting there. CAT getting up there to the VWAP. Still not there yet, guys. Would want to see the SPY reject the VWAP and CAT get up to the VWAP. That could be your signal. Alright, so we saw I get above those 2050s, so that's really where it kind of just, I can't play it on the short side again there. If it would have held those 2050s on the downside, we would have started getting like kind of a down trend here. downtrending there and then failing through there. You see I have it on the 5 minute. I'm going to pull it up on the 1 minute so you guys can see more what I'm talking about. As I'm watching I do this little fade there. I was waiting for it to here. I wanted it to fail there. Then I could go short there off of the high, which was 2060, and watch it come back down to this 2034 and hopefully break this bottom trend line, which could get us down there all the way to 2020s or even 2014. Yeah, definitely, Seven. I'm gonna hit you up, man. I'm gonna be there August 8th through the 12th, and I will be trading on the 9th and the 10th from Colorado, guys. From Denver, the Mile High City. I'm gonna be taking a good hike after my trading, so I'm gonna be looking forward to that. So I'll be doing quick trading days, guys. Probably leaving the market at 10 or 10:15. But I kind of love it over there, man. The market opens up so early. It's 7:30. Insurance, about managing your money and taking huge sides. It's actually what I'm trying to work on right now. I'm trying to save up and start getting really ready to take some swings, guys. I always find that in October to December is like the hot zone, guys. I've made the most money definitely between those 2 months, and where I've had huge months where I've been like, man, if only these profits were real on paper. It's always been between those months. So I've never had a huge account size during those months. Usually I've had accounts early on in the year, and it's a little bit harder during the end of the year. You know, we got Christmas coming up, families, and you know, your money gets a little more tight. But I'm actually working towards getting up a good account, probably thinking about somewhere in the $2,000 to $3,000 range account for those months. I'm really not seeing anything, guys, and as I didn't take a trade at the open, I don't want to rush into something and then just get nailed. You know, no trade day is sometimes always better than just going and putting out the risk there, guys. I can save my risk for later on in the day or later on in the week when I really find something that I want to trade. A lot of times we come to the stream and we want to make a trade, so we end up forcing a trade, and that's exactly what you don't want to end up doing. If it's not your strategy, not your pattern, then just let the day go. Understand that there is going to be your pattern. It will happen again. It's the market. It's going to bring it to you. But sometimes you got to be patient and you got to wait for your pattern versus as trying to make it your pattern. And Callum, yeah, I'm using OBS for streaming. Yeah, I could hear you. You're on my ears, but you're not in the stream. Yeah, I put my headphones in on the call, so I'm able to hear John, guys. John wishes he could be trading with you guys, but the internet just today has just been too much. Yeah, there's no point in trading a stream where you guys are going to see him every 10 to 15 seconds. Just go ahead and stream out. I appreciate it, Matt. Thank you for sticking by and coming to the channel. Appreciate you guys. If you guys could hit the like button and subscribe. In the future, we might have a point where you know, I might be streaming some days or working something out with beginner, but for right now, we're definitely just trying to build, guys. And like today, we had technical issues, and that's why I went over and started streaming for you guys. You know, we got to keep the family going. Yep, we're here every day, guys. I'm watching I there, guys. It's starting to reject those 2050s there. I did get those 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts there. So instead of trying to jump in here, It did go a little bit too high on that last attempt there for me to jump in there, so I will like it to attempt one more time, guys. One more time to that 2050 and failing. Still hasn't gotten below VWAP. That's one of the key things we look for the VWAP rejection play. This would be a long pattern failing long, then going below the VWAP, and then looking for the VWAP rejection play, guys. I don't want to short a stock that's still in a bullish pattern. SSLJ there broke below the VWAP there, guys. Yep. Alright guys, you see this level right there? That's an important level there, guys, on SSJ there. The 220s there has been holding from this prior run there in pre-market there, guys. So sometimes you get these holds just above the resistance, and you're getting it there at 220 there, guys. That's why I go to the 15-minute chart, guys, so you can see a little bit better explanation on this stock. You got to run, bounce, run, bounce, run. So you're kind of getting a head and shoulders. I'll pull it up. It's right here on the left. Yeah, definitely. You got some consolidation through that zone right here. I see a 1-minute pattern. To me, it's more of a 1-minute consolidation right here between 143.56 and 42.86 there. So you're seeing the bounce. Alright guys, so the support there bounces there here. It could go long through the 43.45, but if you see a little bounce here to about 43.32 and a rejection then going through this 42 or 43 mark, then that's when I would look for it. It needs one more bounce there. Yeah, I would like to see it bounce one more time strongly there, but not getting above those resistance there at 143 or 143.46. Alright guys, still watching I there, guys. Hey guys, you saw when PED, guys, that important level 23, when it finally broke and it broke it, guess what happened, guys? The pattern reversed, and it reversed pretty strongly there. It went from 23 all the way up there to 23.75. Strong reversal there. Looking for this trend line to break down on I. I saw a move back to 2050s there, guys, and it's starting to reject it. It went down a little bit, and it's going to test it one more time here above 2050s, and this is definitely holding that long pattern. Rejection of 2050 here, and we could start making that move towards below VWAP. Show you guys a little bit more of what I see on I there. Yeah, no stress, bro. I understand, man. It's slowing down there. I don't really see much out there, guys. A lot of people have left, and not really seeing too much out there, guys. Only watching about one pattern right now. All right, guys. John's getting out of here. All right, brother. Take it easy, brother. All right, guys. It's just me now. Focus is in. All right, what we got here? What we got here? Let's look around. See if we can find a trade. TRPX. Not in much there, guys. Hendrix. Sorry guys, my cat's being a little savage. Cat trying to climb there. Stop it, Hendrix. I know you're trying to chase a lizard, but it's not the time. Leave him alone. Alright guys, I'm not really seeing anything, guys. I'm probably going to go ahead and end the stream here, guys. Really not seeing anything to take a trade here, and I'm not going to go ahead and push on a day that I'm not really seeing the volume, not really seeing what I want to see. I do want to take some risk, but it's not going to be in a stock that I do not see the pattern, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream here, guys. Like always, guys, you guys can come to Beginner Trader. I'll be there in the mornings there from about 8:45 to about 10:30 there, guys. Trying to pull up the link for you guys. There you go. That's Beginner's link, guys. Always come over here in the morning to hear me, and I'll be working on live streaming more for you guys. We're working on you know, potential moves there. I'm trying to bring you guys some more tools. Always here for you guys. You guys can always reach out for me here or at my email, outcometrading@gmail. You guys can reach out for me there. Also, I have Skype attached to that, so if you guys want to reach out to me, go ahead and reach out to me. And looking forward to continuing the fam, guys. That's why I went on today and went live for you guys, is so we continue on like a family and trade together. Yeah, I do got to set up my super chat. I will try to start doing that. The reason I don't have it set up right now is that you know, one of the key things, I didn't want people to think that I'm trying to, you know, take their money even if it's $1 or $2. I'm not really here for that, guys. I'm here for you guys, but I will set that up, and looking forward to it in the future, 7. We definitely got to connect, man. Would definitely like to maybe get a beer over there in Colorado. All right, man. Take it easy, guys. You guys have a great day. Appreciate you guys swinging on to my stream. If you guys came from beginner, and if you guys are new, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that link also, and go to beginners and subscribe there. That way you guys can see us every day. You guys take care, man. Have a great day. Like always, guys, I'll come in, I'll come out, guys.